Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. Back in the kitchen. Oh, yes. Today I'm going to try something weird. I'm going to try to make some oatmeal cookies, but I'm going to try to use instant oatmeal, maple and brown sugar because it's left over from Thanksgiving chaos. None of the grandkids ate any of it, so I'm going to take a cup of shortening and put it in my stand mixer here, because I like making things easy on myself. You don't need a stand mixer. I do. Yeah, that sounds good. Good morning, Dingo, my big man. Good morning, Sheila. There we go. Okay, got a cup of shortening. Now, I'm going to get me 3/4 of a cup brown sugar right here. How to do that? I use my 1/2 cup and I use my 1/4 cup. And that's how I do the brown sugar. Pack some of this up in here, like so. There's the 1/4. We'll get the 1/2 packed up in here. Just dump it in there and tip it upside down. Basically what I'm doing. And it's close enough. We're going to call that 3/4 of a cup, because there's already sweetener stuff in this oats too, the maple and brown sugar flavor. I used to eat that stuff when I was a kid with a whole shitload of extra sugar on it. Mom would be like, you can't have all that extra sugar on there. I'm like, wait till you turn your back. Yeah, I'll get my extra sugar on there. About 4 tablespoons worth. Okay, same thing, 3/4 of a cup of regular sugar. About like that. About like that. Booyah. Okay. Now where's my paddle at? Put my paddle on. We're gonna cream this together. Nice and easy like this here. Nice cool day out. My shortening isn't all runny and liquidy. It's 52 out there right now. Supposed to get to 53 or something like that. Cream this together real nice like. Beautiful. Alright. We'll call that cream together. Blah, blah, blah. We got eggs. Got 2 eggs. I'm going to pop 2 eggs up in here. Up in here. Yeah. 1 egg. Yoink. Run that all over the counter so I get to really wipe everything down. You know what I mean? 2 eggs. Okay. That one didn't go all over the place. We'll work these in. Get me a rubber spatula here. Poke the sides down, as everybody should do. Get that poked down in there, especially. Get that mixed up too. Why not, right? Everybody gets a little mixing. Alrighty, now, little mixing there. Okay, now I got that. 1 tablespoon of hot water. That's going to be hard to do. Run the sink for a bit. While we're doing that, we're going to get 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Get this out of the way for you again. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's just about fill the cap. 3/4 of the way up. That's about a teaspoon right there. Good enough. Always works for me. Well, I'm not messing up the teaspoons and measuring spoons too bad. I'm going to be using them anyway. Don't get me wrong. How are we doing on the water? Doing all right. All right. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. See, we're going to have to measure that out. 1 teaspoon, if you don't mind, sir. Baking soda. Wabash. 1 teaspoon of just regular baking soda. Nope. Get this out of here. Set that there for the moment. Put everything away there. Ah, there we go. Get in the water. 1 tablespoon, huh? It says 1 tablespoon. There we go. 1 tablespoon of hot water. Don't know why. There it is. Okay, we got that. 1½ cups of flour. Oh, that's over here. Yoink! I always measure by halves. 1/2 cup. Sorry, the measuring thing's in the way or whatever. That's paddle. 1 cup. 1½ cups flour right there. Not sifted or anything, just plain old flour. It doesn't say to sift it, so I'm not. We need 1 teaspoon of salt. Well, that's easy enough. We've already done the baking soda. Teaspoon of salt. Ba-doop. 1 teaspoon of salt. Dump that right up in here. We've got the flour. We need 2 cups of quick oats. Now, see, this is where I'm going to use. These are like instant oatmeal. See, instant oatmeal, quick oats. I'm going to call it. I guess I'm going to try to get 2 cups. I can do that easy this way. I'll do this way. Right. I'll take this. And I'll put it in this 1/2 cup thing. Half? We'll call that half. So we're going to take 4 packets. I got you. We'll call 4 packets of this. These are, I don't know, 30 grams per serving. No. I don't know what these are, how much. 4 packets. We're going to call it close enough to 2 cups. It's just a little shy of the 1/2 cup. And I think 5 packets would be too much. 4 packets of our maple brown sugar instant oatmeal. That leaves enough to make 1 more batch of cookies. All right. So we got this in there. And I'm going to want to put some I'm going to put some raisins in here, just because why not, right? I got them. Might as well put some in. They're about like that'll do. All right. I got the oven coming up to 375 Fahrenheit. It is at 330 Fahrenheit right now. So that is a beautiful thing. So I guess we'll poke this down in here. I'm going to give it a ride. Like that. All right. Round and around that goes. Good, good, good. Boink. Pop that out of here. I'll grab me I'll grab me a couple of spoons. Grab me a spoon and poke this down in here. Yoink. Cool. So far it looks like it's going to work. I had this theory in my head since yesterday and decided today I'm low on cookies. I'll just give it a go. See what we end up with here. There we go. Good enough. See what it tastes like. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. That's going to be great, I think, if they bake right. I got the land of a million towels going on. Okay. Well, I'm going to let the oven come up. And then I'm going to put these on a cookie sheet. Just let a little ball. And I'm going to bake these for 8 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. And I'll see you back here when these are done. Okay? Well, there you have it, folks. There they are. Maple brown sugar instant oatmeal, basically. Cookies with raisins. I took a bite out of one. Pretty good. Nice and chewy. I like that. They kind of flatten out as they cool and set, but they're good. So there you go. Enjoy. Next time I'll do something different. That's pretty good. Anyways, till the next time, folks, you know what to do. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.